that night I said I'm losing the fight, and she told me that I wasn't doomed. Well, I guess you were right, 'cause I'm doing alright. But what happened to you? I remember that day when I heard Shaky say they found your car, but not you. A beer run gone bad for your neck 30 rack, left your engine in two. Will thought you had died, no one could have survived. We waited for the dawn, no report, but it never came. A month later you rang, and asked if I wanted to go to the record store. Brand new car, but same old song. I can tell something was wrong. There was something gone from your eyes. Your brother had died, and within your life